बहुत excitement है. What do you have to say? If you have to say something before the trailer.
It's not what I have to say, it's what I want to ask all the people who have gathered over here. Because when people keep coming to me and telling me, Batla House, matlab kya, is it a story of dwarves in a house? Keep coming, and they keep telling me these midgets, ke ka story hai, kya kar rahe, kya nahi kar rahe. So it was a little, I mean, when we started working on it, we even for me to understand what Batla House was and what the encounter was, it took me time, and luckily for me, Ritesh Shah, who's sitting over here and who actually should be on stage with me. Ritesh, come please. Yeah.
The writer of the film.
So Ritesh is not just the writer of the film. He basically he. So what happens usually with us is that a director thinks about something and says that this is what I want to do, and then he hires a writer. In this case, Ritesh hired me. He came to me and said, "Sir, I've written a script. I've been working on it for a year and a half, and it's just I think that the director of D-Day should be doing this film." And at that time, we were not talking to each other, actually. And so it took a lot for Ritesh to come across and say, "Okay, I want to share the script with you." And we worked on that for 4 years. So Batla House was something that even I had to understand. I'm from Bombay. I don't know what Batla House is. If you ask people in Delhi, if you ask people in the north of India, they all know what it is. It's very, very controversial. So when we use the word encounter, the first thing that comes to our mind is the police ने जाके वहाँ पे किसी को गोली मारी और बोला कि यार ये so and so underworld person या terrorist या जो भी है died in an encounter. So the word encounter has been used has been used in negative connotation for where we are concerned. But when I spoke to the subject of the film, and I asked him that why do you think that a film should be made about this, and he said that this was 4 years ago, before actually the word surgical strike had become novel, had become fancy, and had come into our dictionary. He said encounter equals surgical strike equals keeping India safe. If we don't do the encounters, then we will not be able to go in and find out the people who are already within the country, who are already creating, who are already within the country and are here to subvert the peace of this country. Surgical strikes happen outside the country. They happen in our borders. Encounters happen inside. And so that is something that really drove me to want to make this film, you know. And I'll ask Ritesh,
Please.
What, I mean, if you, why?
I think when it came to making films about fake encounters, the industry was the first one to put their hands up and make films about the fake encounters, and that has led to a perception. But this film is about what if the enemy is right? What if it was a genuine encounter? And how the people suffer because of what the perception of such encounters is. And that is the possibility that this film talks about. Obviously, whether talking or not talking, the script had to go to the director of D-Day. I think he's the king of this genre.
About, so sir, कैसे पता?
जो 19 सितंबर 2008 को अगर आप कोई भी न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ लो, उसमें लिखा हुआ है कि there was an operation that was conducted in Batla House, Delhi, जहाँ पे 2 boys were killed, 2 boys escaped and 1 boy was captured.
Right.
उसके बाद जो there was a version which is that the boys were students. There was a version which is the boys were terrorists.
Yes.
So you can read a lot. Lots has been written. The case went on for 3 years after that. We lost a very senior police officer was martyred in that operation. तो रितेश ने मेरे आने से पहले 1.5 साल उसके पहले मेरे आने से पहले उसने काफ़ी रिसर्च की थी उसके बारे में. And Ritesh, why don't you?
See, in such subjects, political monkey balancing is not possible. आपका attitude क्या है, आपके अपने beliefs क्या हैं, बहुत साफ होने चाहिए. तो उस कमरे में ना तो मैं था ना आप थे. रिसर्च कुछ हद तक आपकी चीज़ों को बैक कर सकती है. परफेक्ट कोई भी एविडेंस नहीं होती. कोर्ट का जजमेंट ऑब्वियसली है जो फेवर में है. और उसके अलावा जितने भी उस टाइम के जर्नलिस्ट हैं, कुछ बाद में पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज में जाके उन्होंने अपना ट्यून चेंज किया है. बट इस बहुत जेन्युइन और टॉप नॉच जर्नलिस्ट जो थे, जो इन इश्यूज़ पे लिखते थे, जैसे प्रवीण स्वामी थे, आशीष खेतान थे, उन्होंने इस एनकाउंटर की जेन्युइननेस के बारे में काफ़ी सारा प्रूफ दिया है. कई सारे ऑडियो टेप्स हैं, एविडेंस है, फ़ोन कॉन्वर्सेशंस हैं, मटेरियल कैसे प्रोक्योर हुआ, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. आई थिंक एक बहुत वॉल्यूमिनस रिसर्च इसका अवेलेबल है. जो खुद इसका फैसला करना चाहता है वो हमारी जजमेंट ना माने. बहुत सारी रिसर्च है. बट हाँ, एक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है जो मैं बार बार दोहराता हूँ। जिन लोगों को इनकाउंटर्स के लिए आपने इतने सालों तक कभी राइटली कभी रॉन्गली बदनाम किया है, व्हाट इफ दैट एनिमी इज राइट?
Right.
उसके बारे में पिक्चर है, आप देखिए।
And I must congratulate the entire team because जिस दिन से teaser आया है, people are actually swearing by the facts. और जो हम screen पे देख रहे हैं, they are like, you know, they have to watch it and they want to know the truth. You know, this one's for Mr. Bhushan Kumar, sir. Blockbuster pe blockbuster. After Chartbusters, you know, after the music industry, now it's film production and you ruling it. When you produce a film, or should I say, when you back a film of this kind, you know, what is that one thing? खुद को कितना फख्र महसूस होता है? Because this is something जो हम लोगों के अंदर का जज्बा जगा दिया.
See, when you produce a film like this, हमेशा अंदर से एक वो फीलिंग आती है कि आप एक ट्रू सिनेमा लोगों तक पहुंचा रहे हो, और एक चीज़ जिसके बारे में आई थिंक अभी तक कन्फ्यूजन मतलब लोगों के दिमाग में है, और कई लोगों को ये बात पता भी नहीं, मतलब इनफैक्ट मुझे भी इतनी तरीके से मालूम नहीं थी, दो आई एम फ्रॉम दिल्ली। तो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक था जब निखिल ने मुझे आके बताया कि आई वांट टू, एंड दिस निखिल आई थिंक ही टोल्ड मी 3 years बैक कि ये एक फिल्म है जो मैं बनाना चाहता हूँ, एंड दैट टाइम वी वर नॉट थिंकिंग ऑफ कि अभी कौन किस में कास्ट होगा, एंड व्हेन आई थिंक व्हेन जॉन हर्ड इट and when John and we all met and we were very excited. So John is the perfect guy for this, performing this role. So it was a very interesting journey.
Congratulations on this. You know, we
Thank you,
just saw
thank
the
you.
response over here. And now, Manisha ji, this one's for you. Please tell us, you know, yesterday I met her for a briefing. Or when you were narrating the entire thing to us, wo aankhon mein wo chamak thi, you know, how deeply have you gotten into this?
I think for us as a company, we've been associated with movies like D-Day and Airlift.
Yes.
We also made a TV show called POW, which is Prisoners of War. Making Bartla House, a lot of people will think I've got a personal investment given the fact that it's Nick directing it. We share parents, that's why. but actually, somewhere there's you know, we forget about the fact that in playing the daily roles that we do in our lives as brothers, as sisters, as friends, as husbands, wives, we forget the fact that we are also patriots.
Right.
And being a patriot is not a choice. It's inbuilt in us. And when you hear films like this, stories like this, patriotism, I think, becomes a responsibility that all of us carry. With that, if we can add entertainment also, that's great. But really, this film makes us very proud. I think all of us are very proud of
It's
it.
just
Thank you.
superb. Thank you so much for that, Jawab. Madhuji, this one's for you. Please tell us, you know, when Nikhil Advani makes a film, Farz, Duty, और इन सब की बात करते हैं तो एक अलग ही मजा आ जाता है. How do you see it, you know, when he's directing a film like this?
मुझे बहुत डर लगता है क्योंकि डी-डे हमारी पहली पिक्चर थी
जी.
लोगों को बहुत पसंद आई पिक्चर, बट उसके बाद हमें काफ़ी बैकलैश झेलना पड़ा. बट हैविंग सेड दैट, आई थिंक दैट it's very exciting. In our company we have directors who have trained under Nikhil, who have worked with him, who are now working with other genres, but the tent pole is with him, which is that this genre, like Ritesh said, he's the king of it. So it's very exciting, and I think subjects like this galvanize everybody. हम नहीं सोचते हैं कि हम कौन हैं, क्या हैं. We are Indian. And that is, I think, the most important thing.
कहीं ना कहीं वो वापस से एकदम जब ऐसी चीज देखते हैं तो और आ जाता है ना? Sandeep, this one's for you, please. Collaborating with MA Entertainment, T Series, and of course, आप हैं वहाँ पे, and not to forget the man, JA Entertainment. I address him अलग से, एक पूरा वो खुद entity है अपने आप में. So how is it for you?
See, I'm from Delhi.
जी.
और जब ये इनकाउंटर हुआ है वहाँ पे, तो मैंने इसके बारे में पढ़ा और इसके बारे में जानकारी इकट्ठी करने की कोशिश की. एंड एट सम पॉइंट वन ऑफ माय वेरी डियर फ्रेंड मेड मी टू मीट रितेश
जी.
कि आई थिंक ही इज़ द राइट गाय जो ये सब्जेक्ट लिख सकते हैं. तो हम लोगों ने काफ़ी समय स्क्रिप्ट पे साथ बिताया, एंड एट सम पॉइंट हम लोगों ने डिसाइड किया कि अभी से डायरेक्ट कौन करेगा. सो एक साथ हमने लगा था, आई थिंक द गाय हु डायरेक्टेड डी-डे, ही इज़ द राइट गाय हु कैन डू जस्टिस विद दिस सब्जेक्ट. सो हम दोनों सर की बेल बजाने आ गए.
क्या बात है. बेल बजी और यहाँ पे हम सब के दिलो दिमाग में बेल बज रही है. So thank you so much for you know backing this wonderful thing. Nora, this one's for you. Are you John Abraham का lucky charm? मतलब like I don't know. I just want to
I
know.
think you have to ask him.
Is she? Is she?
She will be. After the 15th, you'll understand why.
Ooh, that was deep. कुछ आने वाला है, कुछ बहुत भयंकर आने वाला है. You're looking gorgeous, जितना भी
Thank you.
हमने यहाँ पे देखा. And thank you so much for being
Thank
a part
you.
of this team. Mrunal, this one's for you.
The interesting thing, I mean, I want to say what, just go from. So when we showed the film to the subjects of who were there in the real encounter, they really came out very moved, and they said, sir, सिर्फ एक ही प्रॉब्लम है कि जब आप बाटला हाउस वापस गूगल करोगे, the first person's photograph will come will be Nora Fateh after this.
Hit machine, you know. हम
No,
कह
but
सकते
you
हैं.
know what? Actually, I have to say something, which has nothing to do with what everyone's saying right now. I'm just so grateful that I'm in this film. I'm so grateful that I'm a part of this project, and that Nikhil sir and Bhushan Kumar sir and all of MA Entertainment T-Series put faith in me, and they had trust in me to actually act in this film, you know, which is going to be very surprising and people will be really happy to see. And they gave me this platform and this opportunity, and I'm just taking this opportunity to say thank you guys so much. John, you too. Thank you, everybody.
I'm sure you're going to kill it this time too. Give it up for Nora, ladies and gentlemen, एक बार. All right, Mrunal, this one's for you. You know, second buddy film. And, you know, when you look towards your left and your right, just take a look at this team. This is like the dream team. What do you have to say?
I'm very blessed. I'm very proud to be a part of this film because Batla House is just not an encounter. Batla House is it's a journey, you know, altogether. What happened? I mean, I remember the day one when I met Nikhil sir. I just had tears in my eyes, and I didn't even know him. I was finding it inappropriate. I asked him, can I hug you? Can I hug you? Because that's the kind of impact the film that just one narration had. And the way Ritesh has written the film, I was really touched. And my family background also belongs to the police department. So I was very touched to this subject, and I really, by hook or by crook, I really wanted to be a part of Batla House, and I'm very proud of it.
Second film, and you're already dismantling guns and all.
Yeah,
मतलब,
yeah,
है ना?
absolutely.
All excited.
Yeah, getting ready.
Right. Welcome. मतलब official welcome हम कर लेते हैं यहाँ
Thank
पे
you
team
very
में.
much.
And now the man of the hour, ladies and gentlemen. All I want to ask you is, when we see something of this kind on the big screen, you know, हम लोग बहुत ऐसा deep कहीं चले जाते हैं, you know, we are in a trance कि यार हमें कुछ करना है देश के लिए. We want to do that, as we were talking about that jazba. How is it? How do you cope up with everything and look so cool on screen and, you know, वो
So I think, first of all, thank you to all of you for being here. I really don't think you require any talent to love your country. So I think it comes naturally when you see the flag, when you feel for the country, and these roles come really naturally. But I just want to take one moment off and thank everybody on the stage here. Everybody is a fantastic partner. Monisha, Bhushan, Nora, Nikhil, Mrunal, Ritesh, fantastic writing. I think you'll win everything. Madhu, Sandeep, all of you. Kumarji, thank you for really being a fantastic partner in distributing this film and supporting us. And my two girls here who are fantastic. Vinod, thank you so much. Neeraj, thank you. Sayukta, my head of development, she's written some fantastic films. She's written Nirja, Parmanu. And Minakshi, who's been solid like a rock, and every shot she's actually stood behind me. So they are invaluable to my process. So I think it's important to recognize everybody out here. All in all, fantastic film. We're very excited. We're not worried about anything in this film. Very excited that the audience sees it. And Nikhil, honestly, you're the hero of this film because you've done a fantastic job. So, अक्सर क्या होता है कि एक्टर क्रेडिट लेके जाता है यहाँ से, but I think you've done a fantastic job, and I say this because मैंने फिल्म देखी है and I enjoyed it as an audience. So I'm very happy.
हमने ट्रेलर देखा है और वो जो लास्ट का शॉट था ना, तिरंगा लहरा रहा है, and the look in his eyes, that just kills it. So I'm sure उसके बारे में और भी बहुत पूरी फिल्म के बारे में बड़े सारे सवाल होंगे यहाँ पे. So we'll take questions from all you wonderful people.
John.
अरे वाह.
John sir, Manish here, News Nation से. जॉन से मैं दो सवाल थे आपसे कि हमने देखा कि लगातार जो आपकी फिल्में आई हैं कुछ ऐसे ही सब्जेक्ट पर हैं जो कि किसी सोशल इशू पे रहती हैं हमेशा, तो ऐसे ही फिल्में अगर स्क्रिप्ट हो तो जॉन को अप्रोच करने तो ज़्यादा आसानी होगी, ऐसा हम मान के चले?
आई थिंक समटाइम्स इसके बाद तो मेरी अगली फिल्म एक कॉमेडी है, सो आई थिंक आई लाइक टू डू ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ फिल्म्स. मुझे कॉमेडीज बहुत पसंद है. पागलपंती मेरी नेक्स्ट फिल्म है. सो आई थिंक इट्स फन टू डू ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ फिल्म्स. लेकिन ये दिस काइंड ऑफ अ सब्जेक्ट इज वेरी वेरी स्पेशल.
जॉन, हालांकि दूसरा सवाल, हालांकि हम फिल्म प्रमोशन के लिए यहाँ पर आए हैं, लेकिन एक और आजकल मुद्दा है कि पानी की कमी बहुत हो गई है, तो वाटर कंजर्वेशन के लिए बहुत लोग मेहनत कर रहे हैं, तो किस तरह से देखते हैं अब इसको जॉन?
I think it's actually a relevant question. Very honestly, I think there's something called water harvesting, जो हम लोग ठीक तरीके से नहीं कर रहे हैं city में. I think if you can harvest water rightly, the city and the country can have enough water. हमें भी बहुत टेंशन होता है जब हमें पता चलता है कि बारिश नहीं हुई है. जब बारिश होती है हमें तकलीफ होती है. We look and say अभी flooding होगी यहाँ पे. But we don't have enough rains in this city, in this country. The rivers are going to dry up in the next 20-30 years. So it's a serious problem this country is facing. और उसके ऊपर जब महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट has decided to cut 33 hectares of land in RML colony, तभी आपके दिमाग में ये होता है कि are we really thinking in the right direction or the wrong direction? Someone like me is opposed to the coastal road. I am opposed to the 33 hectares of land being cut. और आप बोलते हो कि बस उतना ही काट रहे हैं हम लोग मेट्रो के लिए. You are displacing animals. It's ridiculous. Human beings, everybody. So it's a cause of concern. I don't understand where we are going.
जॉन सर, मेरा सवाल निखिल जी और राइटर दोनों से है. जब ये हुआ था 2008 में, तब बॉम्बे में भी जो सीरियल बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट हुए थे उसमें भी जो लोग पाए गए थे उनका भी कहीं ना कहीं कनेक्शन पाया गया था. निखिल जी, अगर आपकी बात करें तो आप काफी बोल्ड हैं और आपने डी डे बिना किसी दुराव छुपाव के उसमें हर चीज आपने डाली. तो फिर ये जो फिल्म थी, इस फिल्म में आपने जो चंद्रमोहन जी का एनकाउंटर में डेथ हुई थी, जो मारे गए थे, उसके बाद राशिद पकड़ा नहीं गया, सॉरी, उसने जो बयान दिया, राशिद का जो बयान था कि हमने जो भी किया, और उससे साफ जाहिर हो गया कि ये जो एनकाउंटर था वो सच में हुआ था, और अगर कोई मरा तो सिर्फ वो चंद्रमोहन जी मरे. उस वक्त अरुंधति राय से लेके ढेर सारे जितने भी पॉलिटिशियंस हैं, उसमें केजरीवाल भी थे, उसमें दिग्विजय सिंह भी थे, बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग थे जिन लोगों ने इसका सपोर्ट किया था और बहुत आंसू बहाए थे. तो आपने अपनी फिल्म में, चूंकि मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ क्योंकि आप बहुत बोल्डली किसी भी सब्जेक्ट को उठाते हैं, तो इसमें पॉलिटिशियंस को क्यों नहीं दिखाया गया जिन्होंने
आपको फिल्म देखना पड़ेगा. आप जब फिल्म देखोगे, मैं आपको लेके जाऊंगा फिल्म देखने के लिए. इसमें दिग्विजय सिंह है, अमर सिंह है, अरविंद केजरीवाल है, सब है जी, सब लोग हैं जी जी, सारे पॉलिटिशियंस हैं इसमें. हाँ, हालांकि मतलब अगर हाँ है, वॉच इट.
जॉन सर, योर सेंटर राहुल फ्रॉम द फिल्म चर्चा.
There are even more politicians, by the way.
जॉन सर, योर सेंटर राहुलियर फ्रॉम द फिल्मी चर्चा. मेरा सवाल आपसे ये था, सबसे पहले तो ट्रेलर जितना धमाकेदार है, आपकी परफॉर्मेंस भी उतनी पावर पैक लगी सर. और कुछ सालों से जिस तरह की फिल्में आप कर रहे हैं, पैट्रियोटिक फिल्म, रियलिस्टिक फिल्म, तो लोग काफ़ी पसंद कर रहे हैं उस चीज़ को. लेकिन एक चीज़ और है कि जब देखा जाता है, जब चर्चा होती है कि रियलिस्टिक फिल्म, पैट्रियोटिक फिल्म की, तो दो नाम सामने आते हैं, एक जॉन अब्राहम, दूसरा अक्षय कुमार. आप दोनों बहुत अच्छे दोस्त भी हैं सर, और कुछ ऐसी भी दोस्ती होती है, बहुत कम ऐसी दोस्ती देखने को मिलती है कि दोस्ती अच्छी और पसंद भी दोनों की एक जैसी हो.
एक ही डेट पे आते दोनों.
पिछले साल आप दोनों साथ में आए थे और इस साल भी आप दोनों साथ में आ रहे, तो इस दोस्ती को क्या नाम दूं?
Make some noise for the Desi boys.
Whoa! Killed it.
No, I mean honestly, honestly, if there was a controversy, I would have loved to create it. लेकिन अक्षय and me are very dear friends और we really get along. हम लोग ने, in fact, परसों ही हम लोग ने एक दूसरे को मैसेज किया. There is absolutely nothing. हम लोग सिर्फ 2 फिल्म्स रिलीज कर रहे हैं एक दिन पे. There is enough space. ऑडियंस को यही दे रहे कि we are giving audience a lot of choice to choose from good films. एक तो मैं कह सकता हूँ कि हमारी फिल्म बहुत अच्छी है. At least one choice the audience has in the head कि एक फिल्म तो अच्छी है. I hope the other 2 films also are very good. That's all I can hope for. But August 15th is a great date.
John,
Hi, this side, Ankita from Republic. First of all, here. The trailer looks promising, very nice, very amazing, and we are looking forward for the film. My question to you is, be it Akshay in Suryavanshi, be it the Singham franchise, be Batla House for a matter of fact, कहीं ना कहीं वर्दी जो है वो अपना कमाल दिखा ही रही है एंड यू नो फुटफॉल्स जो हैं जो थिएटर्स में लोग आते हैं वो काफ़ी इंक्रीज होता है डू यू थिंक कि जो वर्दी है या यू नो प्लेइंग अ कॉप इज अ हिट फॉर्मूला फॉर अ फिल्म
No, it's not. Content is the hit formula for a film. If your film's good, it'll run. If it's not good, it will not run. You can wear a cop uniform in a bad film, it will not run. So content is most important.
John, John, with your films, you have been like pulling cars, breaking tires, and now mobile phones. So, is it like deliberately put inside the film, or it is like the demand of the film?
In real life, I can't break everything. I really, I enjoy breaking things. So, no, but it should look believable. And I think with me, my director of Satyamev Jayate is sitting here, the cute little boy. Not little, he's quite big actually. Milap. So I mean, I feel sometimes when it looks believable on an action hero, then so be it. So that's why I think my directors make me do it, and I feel I can.
Cool.
निखिल
Exactly. Before we saw the trailer, I said the same thing, which is कि एक encounter word को जिस तरह से सब लोग कह रहे थे, फेंका जा रहा था कि मतलब encounter has only been done because the police wants to it's always fake. But what if there is an encounter which is real, right? And what if there is that? It took us a lot of time to read all. मैंने सारे ये पढ़े हैं, दोनों तरफ से सारे versions पढ़े हैं, and have sat with the people involved in the encounter, and we've tried to make it very we've tried to leave the question, answer some of the questions that you may have when you watch the film. So right now I feel that yes, I feel that as a operation, the encounters need to happen, and they are done as well, as long as they are done genuinely, right? There are people who are corrupt. There are people who don't do it correctly. There are police forces. There's a line in the film when you watch it, which John says, which stands for the entire film. I'm not going to tell you right now. You have to watch the film for that.
जी
Well, I think encounters are a necessary evil. So I think sometimes, honestly, a film dekhiye, you know, at least I can only speak about Batla House, a film dekhiye. But there was a nexus, like you said, with our industry and the underworld. Luckily, मेरे time पे जब भी मेरी entry हुई industry में, everything was very corporate. 2003 में, उस वक्त पे इतना वो ये नहीं था with the underworld. They were on their way out, thankfully. Yeah, I would never have dealt with these idiots anyway.
Yeah, John, congratulations to you and the entire team. Talking about the film is talking about controversy. आपके लाइफ में कभी ऐसी कोई controversy हुई हो? Maybe you're a star actually, and कुछ आप उसके बारे में जिक्र करना चाहेंगे? How did you handle it also?
Controversies will happen at every stage in your life, whether you're a star, you're an actor, you're a common person. There is going to be some controversy at a level in your life. I've handled it by not reacting to it. But each person handles it very differently. There are people who get violent, who get upset, who get angry. I look at it constructively and I say, nahi, shayad iske piche kuch hoga. Let me handle it. And I just think about it and I go back home and think about it. So, which is why you'll never see me really having an outburst, because I process everything in my head.
John, नमस्कार, मैं रेखा खान और मैं
Hi Rekha.
हेलो, मैं पूरी एंटायर टीम को सबसे पहले बहुत सारी मुबारकबाद देना चाहूँगी। बहुत ही ब्रिलियंट ट्रेलर है। मेरे 2 सवाल हैं। जॉन, ये फिल्म इंडिपेंडेंस स्वतंत्रता दिवस पर रिलीज़ होगी और हम सबके लिए इंडिपेंडेंस की बहुत अलग अलग डेफिनेशंस होती हैं। कोई कहता है कि अभिव्यक्ति की आज़ादी होनी चाहिए, कोई कहता है ज़िंदगी जीने की आज़ादी होनी चाहिए, कोई कहता है कि देश पे मर मिटना। तो मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी कि आपके लिए सच्चा इंडिपेंडेंस क्या है?
Sorry Rekha, this is like a school question. यार.
नहीं, लेकिन अभी क्या है ना,
हाँ.
देखिए आज के दौर में ना जो एक इंडिपेंडेंस है उसको लोगों ने बहुत ग्रांटेड और बहुत अलग अलग डेफिनेशंस ले लिया है। मतलब उसको एक ग्रांटेड ले लिया है, उसको लोग सोचते हैं कि ये मेरी आज़ादी है, ये मेरे कहने की आज़ादी है, ये मुझे सड़क पे उतरने की आज़ादी है। लेकिन आज़ादी के सही मायने क्या होने चाहिए?
I think one word. I think independence today is about tolerance.
जी.
Tolerance towards life, tolerance towards caste, tolerance towards religion, and tolerance towards gender. So I think it's just about tolerance today क्योंकि वो उसने back seat ले लिया है. So.
बिल्कुल.
Hi John.
And
Hi
एक
John.
नहीं, मेरा निखिल जी से एक सवाल है जो कि हमारे एंकर ने स्टार्टिंग में कहा था। ये बिल्कुल सही है कि जब भी एनकाउंटर्स हुए हैं, हमारे देश में जितनी भी एनकाउंटर्स हुए हैं, कोई भी साफ सुथरा नहीं हुआ है। उसके हमेशा 2 पहलू रहे हैं और उस पर हमेशा एक शक होता है। पुलिस पर हमेशा एक सवाल उठता है कि ये फेक था, ये पर्सनल इंटरेस्ट से किया गया था, इसमें पॉलिटिकल एजेंडा था। तो मैं यही जानना चाहती हूँ कि ऐसा क्यों? आपने इस पर एक 4 साल बाटला हाउस पर आपने 4 साल एक गहन इस पर रिसर्च किया। आपको क्या लगता है कि कोई भी एनकाउंटर कभी कोई बहुत ही क्लीन या साफ सुथरा नहीं साबित हुआ है?
मैं सिर्फ बाटला हाउस एनकाउंटर के बारे में बात कर सकता हूँ क्योंकि जो मैंने इसके बारे में काफ़ी कुछ पढ़ा हुआ है। और ये जो एनकाउंटर हुआ था जो 19 सितंबर को हुआ था, उसके बाद जो सारे जो क्वेश्चंस जो वर्जन्स निकले वो इस वजह से थे क्योंकि काफ़ी जो है साइड्स लिए गए। पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज ने जंप कर दिया, दे एंटर इनटू द फ्रे एंड जिस तरह से एक पुलिस ऑफिसर को मार्टर किया गया था वो सब भूला गया और सारे क्वेश्चंस एक पुलिस फोर्स पे आ गया। It's very easy for us to when I did D-Day and like Madhu said when Madhu said that after doing D-Day we felt a little backlash because I had to get security because of the threats that I was getting from making a film like D-Day, and for 3 years I had security after that. But I remember meeting a very senior police officer in Bombay and in Mumbai, and he said, you know, everybody talks about the stuff that we get wrong. Nobody talks about the stuff that we get right. You know, and if we did not get stuff right every single day, this country would not be what it is today. I think that is what there are too many other forces at play, which is something that deviates from what was the real reason for that encounter.
John sir,
we'll take
John sir
on
on
your
left.
John,
On your left.
Towards your
John,
right.
on your left.
Towards your right.
अरे
John.
देख लो.
Towards your extreme right.
On your left.
सर पूछ लो आप.
John, hi. रवि from ABP News. जॉन, जैसे कि आप लोग बता ही रहे हैं कि 2008 का जो बाटला हाउस एनकाउंटर था वो रियल था और बहुत कंट्रोवर्शियल था, इसलिए आप लोगों ने ये फिल्म बनाई है। लेकिन डज इट बॉदर यू जो कंट्री में इतने सारे एनकाउंटर्स होते हैं, इंडिया एक ऐसी कंट्री है वर्ल्ड में जहां पर ह्यूमन राइट्स का वायोलेशन सबसे ज़्यादा होता है, तो एज एन आर्टिस्ट, एज अ सेंसिटिव आर्टिस्ट, क्या ये चीज़ आपको कभी परेशान करती है या लोग यूं तो जनरलाइज करने लगते हैं कि ये एनकाउंटर सही था तो सब कुछ सही होगा, इंडिया में कुछ भी गलत नहीं है, ये चीज़ आपको परेशान करती है कभी?
Are you talking about encounters between cops and this or general communities and the atrocities that are happening?
No, पुलिस एनकाउंटर्स और बहुत सारे इस तरह के एनकाउंटर्स जो होते हैं और हर एनकाउंटर को सही बताया जाता है, ह्यूमन राइट वायलेशन।
Human right violation on which?
नहीं, अगर फेक एनकाउंटर है तो ह्यूमन राइट वायलेशन।
Tell me specifically which one are you talking about? Are you talking about Rohingyas that's happened right now? Or are you talking about what? Tell me anything. I'll answer all your questions.
No, I am talking about जो पुलिस एनकाउंटर मेजरली होते हैं, इंडिया में बहुत सारे पुलिस एनकाउंटर्स होते हैं, बहुत सारे लोगों को, इनोसेंट लोगों को भी मारा जाता है। हालांकि बाटला हाउस आप लोग बता रहे हैं कि नहीं है ऐसा कुछ भी, that I agree, but what about others?
We can speak about our story. The other encounters, nor do you know the facts, nor do we know the facts. So how can I stand here and comment about it just because I've got a platform to do so? I can't do that. You know? Now we are moving away from it. I've got a lot to say about it, but we're really moving away from it. Let's speak about Batla House. I can sit here and talk to you about everything across this country, from Ansari to everything, but we're talking about Batla House, so let's stick to that, yeah?
One last question.
Bhushanji and Bhushanji.
Let the lady go and then I'll come to you. Come. Madam, मतलब सवाल दिया मैंने.
You have to tell me, I don't know whether it's raining or not raining. I really don't know. I'm standing on stage. Wish? Matlab, I wish we get the World Cup back, yeah? I mean, what do you want me to say? You want me to say we don't want to get it? I just... The whole country is giving them good wishes, and I also wish the same, that India wins the World Cup and we get the World Cup home.
Yay!
Yeah.
All right, one last question, Ji.
Bhushanji and John, a question common to both of you. How important do you think has it become for actors today to have a festival or a holiday release? And plus, how do you think the screen numbers would be divided between Saho, Batla House, and of course Akshay Kumar's Mission Mangal?
See, we have altogether in India 5,500 screens roughly. So obviously we will try for the best. So around 2,500 screens. So let's see how the things are divided and all.
John, your take, how important is a festival or a holiday release for you?
Yeah, I think a holiday always gives you a bigger opening. Simple. I mean, you do the math, either way it gives you a larger opening because it's a holiday. And I think it's important to release a film on a good day. You can release it on a vanilla weekend also, but it depends on the genre. Our film is very specific to Independence Day. It's a great date for us. We're releasing Batla House this year. We may release another sequel of mine next Independence Day. So we are very clear we want to release on Independence Day.
But 3 films business would be divided. Doesn't that concern you?
It doesn't concern me about the other 2 films, but it concerns me about mine.
I'm asking about your film.
Yeah, so we've done a math and we still want to release on this day, but more importantly, it's not overconfidence. So I must tell you, I have a lot of respect for every other film. I am very confident that Nikhil has made a fantastic film. So we're coming on a good day.
John, आपने 15 अगस्त को दर्ज करवा लिए क्या? For you.
Yeah, good. Well said. Just bang it in.
All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
John,
ladies
once
and
again,
gentlemen.
once
You
again,
guys
once
were
again.
superb. Give
10
yourselves a
years.
big round of applause. Bolo.
10 years.
कहाँ गए?
After Batla House, the residents of Jamia Nagar have said that this is like rubbing salt on their wounds because the residents were upset after the encounter and there were protests. So what is your take on it? The Batla House, which had taken place in Jamia Nagar in New Delhi, after the encounter, protests had taken place in that region. And now the movie is coming out. The residents are still upset and they are saying that it is like rubbing salt on our wounds. What is your take on that?
I request them to go and watch the film.
Okay.
Short and simple. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. And it's time for a final photo op, but we'd like to invite on stage a couple of very important people. And to start with, one of our favorite singers. Give it up for
Yeah.